We're back out here at Canton Trade Days, and the tornado really didn't do any damage over here in the main part of Canton Trade Days. You can see all the buildings are still all together, and it's open. They're still doing a lot of cleaning up from the tornado. Limbs tore off. Aluminum siding ripped off the side of some of the gas stations. Next month you won't even be able to tell a tornado came through here. Alright, let's go in and check out Canton Trade Days. Okay, as you can see, we got business as usual here at Canton Trade Days. Nothing's changed. Everybody just going about their business. Got a bunch of pottery. Ceramics galore. Check out that octopus. Lizards, frogs, and lizards. Got some ceramic coffee cups, cake, older things, flour, sugar. Who wouldn't want that sitting in their house? Some of this pottery is a little overpriced. I've seen a lot of this in San Antonio, and it's about half that price. Now the tables they got out here are really nice. So if you need tables and chairs, this is the place to come and get them. Those signs are pretty cool looking. Got a van. Looks like a van from the 60s. More good looking signs. I don't know if Jimmy Buffett knows he got a sign out here or not. Water's flowing fairly good after the storm. Now a lot of these places we haven't been. It would literally take months to see all of Canton Trade Days. Months. Trying to catch as much of the stuff we haven't seen as I can. Got a bunch of nice stuff. Got some dream catchers. Farmhouse. More purses. Okay, this is the area of Canton that looks more like a flea market. Okay, now we're getting deep into Canton Trade Days. Deep in the very back. Got some old wagons. Geese. Got some animal hides. They even got bags. Just need a bag to put your stuff in. You can tell there's been a hard rain here. You got a lot of mud going on. That looks like that couch we saw over there at the Gregg County Museum, minus the hole. That there is supposed to be a radio. I guess it plays. More Canton trade days as we go down the hill. Got a whole lot of flowers out here for sale. A whole lot. I found somebody's missing doll. Good old Betty Boop. There's an old looking Volkswagen van. It's a toy. It's about 2 feet long. Got some old horse saddles. We're gonna go down this little area here and see what they got. See how much I can record. Like I said, this looks like an old flea market area. I got hot out here. I had to buy me a good old Coca-Cola. And it's hitting the spot, believe me. All this stuff look familiar. Everybody's still cleaning up the tornado aftermath. Plenty of costume jewelry. That's a pretty nice looking painting. So is that one. You paint all this?
No, sir. I just work here.
Got a lot of nice paintings up here. This is located in one of the pavilions up by the road. That looks really nice. Nice long table. Welcome to the farmhouse. I would say funny farm. That's a nice looking bed, nightstand, bedstead, bedroom suite. All together. Don't sit on the bed. That means somebody's done it. Looks like the sun finally came out. Stampede. I'm been filming while I cool off in front of that fan of his. That looks really neat. It's a birdhouse, of course. That's really cool looking. Got all kinds of hats and shirts and boots and all kinds of stuff up in there. Barbecue, welcome. putting up a little climbing tower for kids. You want a dog, but you don't want to have to feed it? There you go. Okay, we're going to go up to the top of this hill here. We've never been up here. Not with the video camera anyway. Got a stuffed lion. I don't know if that's real or not, but it sure looks like it. There's a bear. Old cars, toy cars. Okay, these are not real. But they sure look it. Got a beaver. That looks pretty nice. Looks like it's got some swollen water spots on top of it though. Got a lot of tables and chairs. Old looking tables and chairs. Got a big old knight there. About 6'5" at least. Got lots of coffee cups. And they're only $2 a piece, which ain't bad. Okay, that's going to do it for today. We're going to go ahead and head back to the house. I'll probably be back out here Sunday. Thank you for watching.